Hey guys, I'm here. This is my YouTube channel, The Garden Givers. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. I hope you all will be fine. So today my topic is hard landscaping ideas for garden. Hard landscaping can transform your garden into a beautiful and functional outdoor space. Here are some inspiring hard landscaping ideas for your garden, patio, or terrace. Create a welcoming outdoor sitting area with a patio or terrace. Choose durable materials such as natural stone, concrete pavers, or bricks to withstand the elements. Add some outdoor furniture, a dining table, and maybe a few potted plants to complete the look. So, pathways design pathways that lead visitor through your garden, connecting different areas and creating sense of exploration. Use materials like gravel, stepping stones, or interlocking pavers to define the paths. Retaining walls. If your garden has uneven terrain, consider building retaining walls. These not only provide structural support but also add visual interest. Natural stone or concrete blocks can be used for a rustic or modern look. So, water features. Add transcoolant to your garden with a water feature. This could be a pond, fountain, or even a small cascading waterfall. The gentle sound of water can create a relaxing atmosphere. Outdoor kitchen for BBQ area. If you love outdoor cooking and entertaining, consider installing an outdoor kitchen or a dedicated BBQ area. Include a grill, countertop, storage, and seating to make it functional and enjoyable. Fire pit or fireplace. Extend the usability of your garden into the evening with a fire pit or fireplace. It's become a gathering point for friends and family to enjoy warmth and create lasting memories. Paragol. Add some shade and architectural interest to your garden. With a paragol, these structures can also support climbing plants or adding a touch of greenery. Raised garden beds. If you are into gardening, raised bed can make planting and maintenance easier. Use timber, bricks, or stone to create the beds and fill them with good quality soil for optimal plant growth. Outdoor lighting. Incorporate outdoor lighting to enhance the ambience and safety for your garden. Use string light, lanterns, or spotlights to highlight specific features and create magic.